Hello learners. Welcome to the free course of MS PowerPoint. So without any further ado, let's begin. Hello everyone. This is a demonstration of how to make a solar system video with the help of MS PowerPoint. We have used 3D models for the sun and the planets. We have used word art for text. For animation, we have used Morph and a small trick for this video. Enjoy this video. Or you can say PowerPoint. This is a glimpse of what you can expect from my PowerPoint course. I will keep on dropping small PowerPoint videos like this in between of our course so you can challenge yourself to make it on your own. We will also learn after some time how this PowerPoint is made. If you still think this is not possible using PowerPoint, here is a glimpse for the same. That's wrap up for this video. Do check out the playlist for more. Thank you for watching and hit that subscribe button.